Avoid people who suck your energy. And I call them energy vampires. Ito yung mga tao na malayo pa lang, ubos na yung energy mo. And these are the people you don't wanna talk to. But the problem is, you keep tolerating them because maybe you wanna please people. But the reality is, the more that you tolerate the energy vampires, you are saying no to you. That's the reality. Because if you allow the energy vampires around you, they will suck you dry. They will drain your willpower. At sobrang halaga ng willpower when you decide. And most especially, taking massive action. Because when you take massive action, you will face challenges. You will face problems. You will face obstacles. There will be a lot of emotions involved in taking action. So, kailangan mo yung willpower para pag nag-e-execute ka na ng plano, ina-apply mo na yung strategies na natutunan mo, may lakas ka, may energy ka na harapin ang realidad ng buhay.